What's up, fam? I know I've been making the videos, but I've been working hard. New job, new position. Things is going pretty good. I did finally get approval and get all the legalities done to get the car set up at the Bridge Street Cinemark Theater in Huntsville, Alabama. So it's going to be there Thursday night, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for the Deadpool 3 movie premiere. The general manager reached out to me. The legal department reached out to me. The Bridge Street manager reached out to me, and they said it's a go. The car is going to be set up full display for Thursday and Friday. I'm probably going to close it up for Saturday and Sunday. We'll see. Bridge Street, as you know, it has the XD movie theater. 3D, it's like IMAX. They also have a mini bar there. There's a lot of stuff over there, lounges and stuff, so it should be pretty cool. But the car is going to be there for 3.5 days or so. A lot of red tape I had to go through to get it, but everybody's on board with it, so it should be pretty cool. So you'll see some videos from that. Also tomorrow, my airbrush guy is going to be done with the matching shoes for the car. So we'll have the shirts, the shoes, and everything that matches with the car out on display while it's at the movie theater. So I'm picking those up tomorrow, dropping the car off tomorrow. So that way this weekend, when all the people who love Deadpool go out and see the movie, and all the people who love the car and appreciate the car, it'll be there and it'll be together, and I think it'll be pretty dope. So y'all tune in for that. And there'll be more movies, more videos and stuff coming soon.